First up, we have decorating, holiday style. We put up decorations outside and other decorations inside the house. After dark, it looks like this. Item number 2 is holiday movie watching. These are some of my favorite holiday movies. For our next item, we are seeing the dancing light.
Whoa.
It's the Weeknd.
Yeah, I like the song.
Yeah, it's the Weeknd. He's dancing.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, this is amazing. They also like this song. This is so cool. In some places, people connect their lights to a radio station and the lights dance to the music. Now it's time to make a gingerbread family. The kit comes with gingerbread parents, gingerbread children, a gingerbread cat, a gingerbread dog, icing, and candy toppings. Just saying, these cookies are not edible. Do not try to eat them. The link for this gingerbread family kit, which we got from Trader Joe's, is in the description. And last but definitely not least, the Christmas train. We bought this Christmas train kit, which you can make completely. And once you are done making it, you can play with the figurines inside. It's the gift that never stops giving. The link to the Christmas train, which we bought in Michael's, is in the description. Well, that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment. Happy holidays!